Welcome to TechCrumbs. Today I'm going to show you how to connect the Yootech wireless charger to a brick, and so you can start charging your devices. So basically it doesn't come with a USB brick, so you will have to get one. And this one is an all key, which I really enjoy, and it basically has 3 outlets on the side. So all we have to do is put this to the power outlet, and then we have our USB-A to USB-C cable that comes with the Yootech, and we connect this into the cable. And once we've connected that, all we have to do is grab the Yootech that has a connector on the bottom and connect it. And once it's connected, it should be able to start charging your phone or AirPods or anything like that. So for example, I'm going to grab my phone, just put it on top, and you can see that it's starting to charge. It doesn't have the same animation as with the Apple one, but you can see on the top right here it's charging. So it will give around 7.5 watts. It will take some time to charge. That was all for TechCrumbs. If you have any questions about the Yootech charger, wireless charger, let me know in the comments below. Thank you.